Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. In this video, let us learn about the Gupta Empire, the rise and growth of the Gupta Empire. Before that, let us know some background information from our previous videos. After the breakup of Maurya Empire, the Shatavahanas and the Kushans emerged as two large political powers. They filled the gap created after the fall of Mauryan Empire. The Shatavahanas acted as a stabilizing factor in the Deccan. South of Deccan, they gave political unity and economic prosperity since they had excellent trade with the Roman Empire and other foreign countries. The Kushans performed the same role in the North India. Both these empires came to an end in the middle of 3rd century AD. On the ruins of the Kushan Empire arose Gupta Empire. So, on the ruins of Kushan Empire arose Gupta Empire. They are Vaishya origin, whereas most of the rulers in India are Kshatriya origin during ancient India. To sum up, Mauryas were succeeded by Shatavahanas, then Kushans, and then came the Guptas. Okay. This map shows the extent of Gupta Empire. They occupied majorly the north, northwest, northeast part of India, whereas central part of India was ruled by Vakatakas. Southern India was ruled by Kadambas during the same period. In Gujarat, we had western Satrapas. Deep in south, Kalbrahas ruled. It is important to know that the Gupta Empire kept North India politically united for more than a century, that is from 335 to 455 AD. The original kingdom of the Guptas comprised Uttar Pradesh and Bihar at the end of the 3rd century AD. They were feudatories of the Kushans in Uttar Pradesh. Now, let us look at the material influences during Gupta Empire. Guptas learnt the use of saddles, reins, buttoned coats, trousers and boots from the Kushans. Chariots and elephants had ceased to be important. Horses played the important role. This point is very important for prelims. Please make note of it. That is, chariots and elephants had ceased to be important. Horses played the important role. The Guptas enjoyed certain material advantages. That is, like the center of their operations lay in the fertile land of Madhya Desha, covering Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. They could exploit the iron ores of the central India and South Bihar. On account of these favorable factors, the Guptas set up their rule over Anuganga, the middle Gangetic basin, Prayag, modern Allahabad, and Saketa, that is modern Ayodhya. In course of time, this kingdom became an all India empire. Okay, in the next video, let us learn about the rulers of Gupta Empire. You can download the PDF slides of ancient history video series till now. Totally 43 videos were covered in our previous sessions. You can download the PDF and the link is given in the below description. The PDF is very useful for UPSC IAS prelims preparation. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS and click on bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.